How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another mezcal tasting here at Mezcal Buzz. And today I got something a little bit different I'm excited to share with you guys. This is Agua De Jaguar. All right, let's get right to it. What we have here is a smaller bottle of 250 milliliters. These are great for picking up and trying out new mezcales. What we have here is Agua de Jaguar. This comes from Guerrero in a town called Coahuilotla, and it's an agave espadín, joven, and it's 50% alcohol. And other than that, we don't have much detail on this bottle. It was produced in February of 2021, and I'm excited to try it. It doesn't say much about the process and what it was fermented, what it was distilled in. So I'm kind of curious as to why they don't put these on the label. That's great information that aficionados and people that like to taste mezcales want to know. So definitely, if I had my own mezcal, I'd be putting those things on the label. All right, so let's pop this open. It's sealed with wax. It looks like it's a twist off. All right. Let's give it a pour. So as you know, we taste our mezcales with neat pours here. And, oh, I could already smell it. Let's see what we got here. A clear mezcal, as it's a joven, should be. The smell is a bit, almost pungent, I would say. I don't get any fruitful notes in this one. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really liking the smell too much. It has like woody smells to me, like wood, roots. The aromas are quite short. They don't linger more than 1 to 2 seconds. Average character, it's okay. Why don't we taste this thing? First taste is not bad. It's light. The alcohol is generous, but it's not bad. It's a nice clean alcohol taste. It has like a light to medium body to it. Easy to go. Let's give it another taste. Okay, so on the taste side, it's not bad. It's actually quite pleasant. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm not really feeling the aroma of this mezcal. The smokiness is pretty light. I get the smokiness in the aftertaste. Like when I pass it and I'm breathing out, I get like a charred wood sensation, kind of like barbecue, like the hints of wood that you get when you have a good barbecue. It's kind of like that effect. I don't get really much sensation of any sweetness or like of the maguey. I don't get that sensation, which is really cool because I was recently in Oaxaca and got to taste roasted agave. It's a really good taste, and it's cool to have tasted it and then be able to identify that in new mezcales that I taste. So if you ever get the chance to try a roasted agave, it's so good. I noticed the alcohol a lot in the aromas, but it doesn't linger for too long. A little bit prickly, but it's not drying in any way. I'd say it coats the mouth for a little bit, but it doesn't stay for too long. It's on the bitter side, so if you like any of the bitter tasting mezcal, I think this would be something you like. And I don't like the smell so much, but that's all right. The mezcal doesn't taste bad at all. I do recommend trying it if you can get your hands on it. Agua de Jaguar. If you've had it, leave your comments below. And that'll be it for me. I think I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this tasting and jump to the next one. So I'll catch you guys later. Hey, if you like these videos or you have any mezcales you'd like to recommend, I'd love to try them out. Leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified of a new video that drops every Mezcal Monday. And as always, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.